One find out. All of you sit down.
Yes, sir.
All of you know the class time till 8:35.
Yes.
Before that 8:20 onwards, these drama and all, I don't need this throw this here and all. I'm telling you. The next I will keep you till 9 o'clock.
No.
And after that go and stand over there 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
Why?
I am telling you. I don't need to see all these things. If you want now itself you go. Half the time is this is only the thing is going on. You brought the instruments? Don't irritate. If it is properly do it. You take that nada out of the way and I know. Compass, prepare.
I don't know.
Go outside. If compass is there, no need to sit over here. Already you have problem in the construction. All the stuff she is doing on ground. Do one thing, Hello? Yeah. She can go and throw you out of the class. She is doing compass for everything you do. This is the way construction you can do now. Isn't it? So go home and get the compass. If Aritrika. Those who don't have the instrument today itself, I'll send everyone out. I read less number of people, no worries. Do you have a compass? Then go and get the compass. Otherwise, don't sit over. From wherever you go home and get it. Go home and get it.
I have two.
I don't know who has two and all. And if it is 2 or 3, whatever it is there, by the end of the lecture, not throwing here and there. I don't need to see all this drama over here. I'm seriously telling you. And he won't do. Why you are late?
Because of
I know.
you are not the head.
All of you have the geometric instruments and all.
Yes.
Go and get it. From where? From my pocket. Compass even she cannot bring, and she is doing that by doing this one. After construction, you missed. I've seen the angle. Still, she doesn't know how to do the angle bisector, perpendicular bisector. I've seen all the time. Who is that geometry one? So you keep it with you. And you know the chapter we are doing the locus. That then this way you cannot carry this zero. No other lectures, no. You a lot of other things here to do now. Huh? Now listen. Advait is not coming.
No.
We have done the locus, the first exercise and the part we have done. Perpendicular bisector, angle bisector, circle, all the properties we have done. Okay. Now, today we are going to do the second part of the locus and its all properties. Additional whatever information, whatever required and all. We are going to discuss now. Listen. So for that one, once again, quickly, from a point at a given distance means locus of a point at a given distance from a fixed point, it is coming as a circle, and from two given points, equidistant from two given points, perpendicular bisector, from two intersecting lines, angle bisector. This is the one. These are the 2-3 main things we have done. With the help of this one, we have completed that exercise now.
Yes.
Okay. Now, additional properties and additional information. First, we are going to discuss. Take out the book. We will.
You have to write.
Open I tell when to write and. One more exercise to be completed. Nothing else is left out, no?
No, sir.
Yeah. Volume is there. One more will do, one will naturally. That what else to do? Hello. Why did he come? For what he come? It's some party or something is there? Some invitation was sent, or even somewhere else, or by mistake you came over here. Who is coming here? Your father is coming here. Brother is coming. I'll tell father these are things in geometry boxes. Maths lecture only now. Yeah. Now, page number 22. Taken? Yeah. Aritrika,
Yes.
read that summary part.
Summary, the locus of a point which is equidistant from two fixed points is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the two fixed points.
All you know that one.
Yes.
Okay, all of you. This we are done. Okay, second one.
The locus of a point which is equidistant from two intersecting straight lines consists of a pair of straight lines which bisect the angles between the given lines.
So equidistant from two intersecting lines is the angle bisector. There are two angle bisector that also we discussed. Okay, third one.
The locus of a point in a plane and at a fixed distance from a given fixed point is the circumference of the circle with the given fixed point as center and given fixed distance as radius.
That also we have discussed. Okay, from a distance is given as circumference of the circle. Okay, gradually continue reading. You're not listening.
The locus of a point which remains equidistant from two given parallel lines is a parallel to the given line and midway between them.
This we have not discussed. If there are two parallel lines are there, then it is the locus of a point. Equidistance is the midway between them. Means a line parallel to this parallel line, and it is the midway between them. Okay, this is one. We have discussed its opposite part. Okay, one line and two parallel lines. Okay, next one.
The locus of a point which is at a given distance from a given line is a pair of lines parallel to the given line.
This is the given condition we are done. Given one line is there, two lines on either side parallel to the given line and the given distance.
And
Okay.
at the given distance from it.
Given distance from it. Okay.
The locus of the midpoints of all equal chords in a circle is the circumference of the circle concentric with the given circle and having radius equal to the distance of equal chords from the center.
Are you followed? If you consider locus of all equal chords, if you consider all the equal chords, then it is the circumference of the circle passing through the midpoint of all these chords. And this radius is equal to distance from the center to this chord. I repeat, locus of equal chords will be the circumference of the circle which is passing through the midpoint of all these chords. Okay, next. Remember, next one.
But the locus of the midpoints of all parallel chords in a circle is the diameter of the circle which is perpendicular to the given parallel chords.
So that means if you are drawing Smith, keep the pen over here and listen. And if you are drawing the parallel chords, locus of all parallel chords will be the, what will be? Locus of midpoint of all parallel chords will be the diameter perpendicular to those all parallel chords. You can see over there. If you draw all the parallel chords and midpoint joining, that will be a diameter. And the last one.
The locus of a point equidistant from two concentric circles is the circumference of the circle, concentric with the given circles and midway between them.
This is same as that midway between parallel lines. With the similar format it is coming as. If there are two concentric circles as their distance means there is a circle in between them and the midway. Have you seen that figure? It is there. There are two circles and the locus is the midway. Okay. These are the conditions of the locus properties. Now, more beyond that one, the more properties are coming is. We have discussed already what is altitude, what is median, angle bisector and perpendicular bisector properties. With the help of this one, we once again we are going to discuss. Do you know what I mean by altitude?
Yes.
What do you mean by altitude? What do you mean by height?
Perpendicular.
Perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. What do you mean by altitude? From a vertex, if you draw the perpendicular to the opposite side, it is called the altitude. For a triangle, how many altitudes can be drawn? From every vertex, one, so 3 altitudes. All of them meet at a common point. That point is called the orthocenter. Point of intersection of all the altitudes is called the orthocenter. You know what is meant by median? What is median?
Bisects.
Bisects the opposite side. Line from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is called the median. Okay, line from the vertex which bisects the opposite side or midpoint of the opposite side. That is a median. For a triangle, how many medians can be drawn? 3 medians. Okay, all the medians pass through a common point. That is called the centroid of the triangle. What is it? Centroid. Point of intersection of the medians. You have studied centroid formula. Are you remembering? What is it? x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. Then centroid, there is another property there. Centroid divide the median in the ratio 2:1. This property we applied from there only, we got the centroid formula. Okay. Then, do you know what is angle bisector? We have done the angle bisector property with the line which bisects the angle, and we can draw 3 angle bisectors. The meeting point is called incenter. Okay, what is it? Incenter. And incenter, with the help of that only we did the inscribed circle. First drawn 2 angle bisectors from the distances we had drawn and drawn, perpendicular drawn. So, and incenter is equidistant from all the sides of the triangle. This property we have done in the locus angle bisectors meeting. One of the question was there, the triangle element question. It is equidistant from all the sides of the triangle. Then inscribed circle. Next is perpendicular bisector. You know what is perpendicular? Perpendicular line which bisects and perpendicular. There is a 90-degree make and bisects passing the midpoint. It doesn't pass through the vertex. Okay, that is a perpendicular bisector. 3 perpendicular bisectors can be drawn. All meeting the common point is called circumcenter. What is it? Circumcenter. Intersection of our perpendicular bisectors. That is the center of the circumscribed circle. Circumscribed circle also we have done. Perpendicular bisectors. And circumcenter is equidistant from all the 3 vertices. Okay, this is the condition of this one. All the properties of the triangle is given. Okay, so properties, important points to remember. Properties. So this read.
Each triangle has 3 medians which intersect each other at a point only. This point of intersection is called the centroid of the triangle. The centroid of a triangle always divides each median in the ratio of 2:1. Example AG.
AG is to GP is equal to 2:1, BG is to GQ, and CG is to GR. All the ratios are 2:1 is given. That is the centroid formula. From there only we got the centroid formula. Okay, continue.
In each triangle, the bisector of the interior angles meet at a point. The point of intersection is called as incenter of the triangle and is equidistant from the sides of the triangle. Example: ID equals to I.
That is ID equal to IE equal to IF. That is incenter. All the angle bisectors meeting point. You can see inscribed circle also. Okay. Aditya, continue reading.
The perpendicular bisector of the 3 sides of a triangle are concurrent, i.e. they intersect each other at the same point. This point of intersection is called circumcenter of the triangle and is equidistant from the
From the vertex of the triangle, which means OA is equal to OB equal to OC. Perpendicular bisector means it is the side perpendicular to a side and bisects the side. Continue.
Perpendicular drawn from the vertices of the triangle to the opposite side. The altitudes are concurrent and the points of concurrency is called orthocenter of the triangle.
Means of altitude is the perpendicular drawn and the point of concurrency is called which one? What is called? It is called the orthocenter of the triangle. Okay. Concurrent means passing through a common point. Remember the word. Hello. Keep that. So it is called the orthocenter of the triangle. Point of Point of concurrency means three or more lines passing through a common point. Angel. Yeah. Okay. That is the coming. Now, next continue.
In case of an isosceles triangle ABC, if AD is median, then it is bisector of angle A perpendicular bisector of BC and altitude corresponding to BC.
Now listen here. You have here altitude, median, angle, bisector, perpendicular bisector are all the different lines. For example, if this is a triangle ABC. If I draw the altitude, this is the perpendicular comes. And if this is the midpoint, AD, D is the midpoint, therefore BD is equal to BC, that is the median is coming. Angle bisector means there is a line bisects. This is called the angle bisector. Perpendicular bisector means through this point, a line which is perpendicular. This is called the perpendicular bisector. Altitude, median, angle bisector, all of them are for different. From every vertex it is coming as. Now, you know what is an equilateral triangle? What is an equilateral triangle? All sides are equal and all angles are 60 degrees. Then, for an equilateral triangle, you will see all of them are the same. Altitude, median, angle bisector, perpendicular bisector, everything will be the same thing. Okay. Thereby, you will see centroid, incenter, circumcenter, orthocenter, all of them are the same thing. That is why when the construction were made, when you draw the equilateral triangle, if you want to do inscribed circle and circumscribed circle, you have to draw perpendicular bisector is enough. Or angle bisector is enough. You need to do different ones. Whereas other cases you have to do different ones. Okay. So equilateral triangle, remember altitude, median, angle bisector, perpendicular bisector, all of them are same. Next is for an isosceles triangle. Do you know what is an isosceles triangle? Two sides are equal. Then the unequal side is called unequal side is called the base. Okay, base is called unequal side. Do you know what is the base angle? The two equal, not 90, two equal angles. In an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and one side is not equal. And two angles are equal, the opposite. These are called the opposite angle, they are equal. This is called base angle. Other angle is called the vertical angle. From this vertical angle, if I draw the altitude, it will be same as the median, then it will be same as the angle bisector, so it will be same as the perpendicular bisector. I repeat, for an isosceles triangle, from here, from the vertical angle, altitude, median, angle bisector, perpendicular bisector will be same. Therefore, all the points, centroid, incenter, circumcenter, orthocenter will be on the same line. Here it will be different. For the equilateral triangle, all of them are the same point. These are the conditions are there. These are the properties of the triangle. These properties, with the help of these properties, we are going to discuss the locus. Okay. First is you have the certain properties are there. First one, you have to define the locus. Define the locus. Suppose it is. Now, look here. If it is obtain the locus of a point at a distance of 3 centimeter less than A. Obtain the locus of point at a distance 3 centimeter less than A. If it is equal to 3 centimeter means what will you get? It will be the circumference of the circle. Less than A means the interior of the circle. All the points from A will be less than 3 centimeter. So less than 3 centimeter means it is the interior of the circle. Equal to 3 centimeter means what? Circumference of the circle. More than 3 centimeter means what? It is the exterior of the circle. Means outer. Are you followed? Okay, this is the one condition it is coming in. Next one. Another locus if it is coming as.
When you want interior and exterior, do we have to make 3 centimeter also?
3 centimeter and only the interior. If less than 3 centimeter means only the interior. More than 3 centimeter means only the exterior. Less than or equal to 3 centimeter means circle and its interior. Okay, you will write there. If it is less than figure, if you are drawn means you will write interior of the circle, exterior of the circle. Circle will be drawn. Okay, now look here. If it is a like suppose over here, there is a line is there. If you rotate a circle along this line, the circle is taken and rotated along this line. What will be the locus of the center?
Locus of the
Center. If
That
you are
line
rotating
only.
this one,
That line only.
this is not this line, center will be on this line. It will be center will be if you take it as another circle, same radius. This
Another
will
parallel.
be a line parallel to the given line and the distance is equal to the radius of the circle. Okay, understood or not? Suppose if it is a one, suppose if it is coming as so many cycling this one. What is cycle center, wheel center? Locus of the center will be a line parallel to the road. Understood or not? Line parallel to the road, like that the condition will come. Next is another one. So if there is a circle, there is a circle is there. Suppose one another circle, there is a circle is rotating along the circumference of the circle. This circle is rotating along. What will be the locus of the center?
Center to center.
Therefore, it will be another circle, concentric circle,
Center to
and whose this radius is equal to sum of the radii. Are we followed or not? This circle is rotating along the circumference of the circle. The center will come as this way moving. It will be coming as what? So concentric circle whose radius is equal to sum of the radii. Are we followed? Okay, this way. Suppose if this handle, door handle is there. So if I open the door, what is the locus of the point of this door handle? See, this form as a circle is coming. Yes or no? It is coming as a circle is coming as whose distance is distant from the hinge to this one. Okay, like that the condition locus. Locus can be a point, locus can be more than one point, locus can be a line segment, it can be a straight line or limited, anything you can be. All have the same property. Understood? So, which one? This one. Array, you take and rotate. If it is a coin, you rotate. The center will be moving on the same line now. See here, this circle, if you rotate over here, the center will be moving in this line. This is the locus of the center. This is the center. That is a line parallel to the given line at the distance is equal to the diameter of that circle. Sorry, radius of the circle, not the diameter, radius of the circle. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Done. All right. Now, with this one, we have one exercise. The constructions are there for long. Hello, Pranjal. Question exercise 16.2.
Describe the locus from questions 1 to 7.
You have to tell what is the describe means exercise. Okay. Read.
1.
Uh.
The locus of a point at a distance 3 centimeter from a fixed point.
Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Circumference. So write down. Answer right in your book. It is the circumference of a circle. It is the circumference of a circle whose center is the fixed point. Circumference of a circle whose center is the fixed point and radius equal to 3 centimeter. Circumference of a circle whose center is the fixed point and radius is equal to how much? 3 centimeter. Clear? Second one. Why you are writing in the volume? You cannot write in the notebook. Smith, read the second question.
The locus of the center of a wheel of a bicycle going straight along the level of the road.
So that we just now we did now. So wheel of the
Center of the
so right. What is it? It's a straight line. Center of the wheel now. It is a straight line parallel to the road. Straight line parallel to the road at a distance of radius of the cycle wheel. At a distance of radius of the wheel. Distance of radius of the wheel. Done all of you?
Yes, sir.
Saumil, third one.
The locus of a stone dropped from the top of tower.
So when you're dropping a stone from the top of the tower, what will you get? Tower. Then when a stone is coming out, it's a straight line, perpendicular to the ground or parallel to the ground. So right, it is a straight line parallel to the tower from passing to the point where it's dropped. Straight line parallel to the tower passing through the point where it is dropped. Another one, see?
Now I'm
What's it?
writing
Yeah.
notebook as well.
Huh?
I'm writing in my notebook as well.
Well, no need to write both the places. Oh,
Passing through.
passing through the point where the stone is dropped. I think this Krishna like to time to shout lot to her. She's doing nonsense. In beginning I thought she was doing seriously. Now time pass only she does. All others are changed. She is opposite way going. Then what? Why are you looking at me? Huh? Sushri. Next, so this is the question number which one? 3. Fourth one, yes.
The locus of the door handle as the door opens.
Door handle upward, this one. What is the condition? So the circumference of a same circle or semicircle. Okay, so circumference of a circle whose radius is equal to what? Distance between the handle and the hinge. Circumference of a circle whose radius is equal to distance between handle and the hinge, and center is the hinge. Gojiri. Done all of you. Completed. What happened? No pen. And you don't have a pen. Who has an extra pen? Who has an extra pen? Give one pen to him na. Got it. Give one. Got it. Okay. Next one. Question number. The two girls are sitting over there. So time pass now.
What
Question
time
number. These two without any textbook, nothing. Very nice, sir. Now, question number 5. Read Aritrika.
The locus of centers of all circles passing through two fixed points.
Locus of center. Listen here. Locus of centers of all circles passing through two fixed points. Parallel. Look here. Are they what concentric? There are two.
Perpendicular bisector.
Look here. There are 2 points, and these distances will be same. Okay. The center is coming. So right. It is a perpendicular bisector. Write down. Perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining 2 points. Perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the 2 fixed points. Okay. Next one. Grocery.
I knew it was coming to me.
Huh? Okay, don't read. Okay, read.
The locus of a point in rhombus A, B, C, D.
No space for that.
Receive
Sorry, six now.
6.
The locus of a point in space, which is always at a distance of 4 centimeters from a fixed point.
Space. So always at a distance means what? Circle. Sphere. Space means what? Sphere. Okay. Surface of a sphere, right? Yes or no? Plane means circle. Oh. What happened? Achha. You all don't have the volume? Where is your volume? Why is the volume not there?
No, I was just checking.
So right, it is the surface of the sphere. Radius equal to 4 centimeters, center is fixed point. Radius of the sphere,
It is the
surface of the sphere, the radius is 4 centimeter and center is fixed point.
Radius is 4 centimeter.
Center is fixed point. Oh, you showed to me since long time. He showing me. Okay, so for what is it?
It is.
Right.
Sir, I did not understand this.
What?
Sixth one.
At the sixth one, there is a point over here. Okay, from here, you take 4 centimeter everywhere. It will come as a sphere, no?
Yeah.
So that's a good sphere.
Okay.
If it is a plane means plane, figure means circle.
But what is the point?
I look at. Huh? What is that?
Space.
Huh?
Point in space.
Points in space, all of the points. If a sphere means where it is, it's a space only, no? Three-dimensional cuboid solids are there, spaces, surfaces around the space it is coming. Okay, next one. Now go Judy.
The locus of a point in a rhombus ABCD so that it is equidistant from first AB and BC, second B and D. So
There is a rhombus is there. You know what is a rhombus?
yeah.
Yeah.
What is a rhombus? I did let it know you want to yes
That
tell.
90 degree, all
Huh?
angles are 90 degree.
All angle rhombus all angle. Rhombus all angle.
That are equal.
What are
All
equal?
sides are equal.
Then what else?
And opposite sides are.
Opposite sides. What sides? All then about the diagonal tell.
Diagonals are equal.
Diagonals are equal. Very good.
They intersect at 90 degree.
Ojiri,
Sir, it's okay.
it's okay. Everything is okay. You need write in the exam, teacher will not make a okay. Teacher will make a locus circle.
So,
Okay,
AB and BC, diagonal BD,
listen here. It is equidistant from AB and
BC.
AB and BC means how wide is diagonal BD?
AC.
AC, AC.
Right diagonal AC. AB and BD. AB and BC is diagonal AC. And the AB and BC means the angle bisector of angle B. Is it BD is the angle bisector?
Yes.
How?
No.
It is the angle bisector. That's the property of the rhombus. Diagonal bisects the angle. Are they?
I said no.
Who's in that mobile? Whose mobile is it?
No, I have Samsung. I
I will throw every. All of you take out the mobile. All of you take out the mobile.
I don't have.
Chawan only.
It's not.
Where is the mobile?
I don't have.
Wherever it's a half or full. Oh. Switch it off. Message. Message is coming from special people. Yeah. Now, here, listen here. Equidistant from AB and BC means the angle bisector of angle ABC. We know diagonal is the angle bisector. Then second one, equidistant from B and D. Equidistant from B and D means it is a perpendicular bisector. Listen here. Perpendicular bisector. Meeting point is only one point. This is the only point. Will stop talking. Equidistant from B and D means perpendicular bisector. That means this full line. Equidistant from AB and BC means this full line. How many points are common? Only one point. That means the answer is the point of intersection of the diagonals. Are you followed? I repeat. First is equidistant from AB and BC means the angle bisector of angle ABC. BD is the angle bisector. Therefore, this BD. And equidistant from B and D means perpendicular bisector of which one? BD. That is AC. Both of them have a common point. Which is the common point? The intersection of the diagonal. First, you write. Diagonals of the rhombus are perpendicular bisectors. Diagonals of the rhombus are perpendicular bisectors. Also, diagonals bisect the vertex angles. Also, diagonals bisect the vertex angles.
Bisect.
Bisects the vertex angles. Therefore, the point of intersection of diagonals, the point of intersection of the diagonals is the locus of point. Is the required locus of point. Otherwise, complete statement here to write. Is the required locus of point. Point of intersection of the diagonals is the required locus of points. Completed.
Yes.
No.
Gojiri. Huh?
Interior of the circle.
Gojiri.
I didn't read.
Huh? So Gojiri will read and give now. When your chance will come, you tell. Okay? Then when your chance comes, they are quiet now. So you also be quiet. Okay, read. First question.
The locus of point at distance less than 3 centimeter from a given point.
So this we already discussed now. So right, interior of a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Throw this textbook away now.
Sir, eighth वाला question.
Sir, बोला.
In 8th question first part. Interior of a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Interior of a circle of radius 3 centimeter and center given point. Whenever circle means radius and center 8 to 12. Radius 3 centimeter and center given point. Ria, you are Ria. Then read the next question. Of course.
Sir.
AC, yes. Read. She's sleeping. Read.
The locus of points at distance greater than 3 centimeter from a
What will be the radius greater than 3 centimeter?
Interior.
What others are telling? I asked her.
अच्छा अच्छा.
Greater than, right? Exterior of the circle. Exterior of the circle of radius 4 centimeter. Did you write? Then write. Exterior of the circle. Radius 4 centimeter, center given point. Radius 4 centimeter, center given point. Aditya,
Yes.
next one.
The locus of a point at distance less than or equal to 2.5 centimeter from a given point. Circumference.
So not only equal to means circumference, less than means interior. So interior and the circumference of the circle, right? Interior and circumference, less than or equal to means interior and circumference. Okay, sir. Huh?
Interior or circle.
Not or, and both. Interior and circumference of the circle.
Sir, I didn't understand second one.
It is a less, what less? What? You only said the shouted no more
No,
than.
but then it is written greater than 4 centimeter.
So greater than 4 centimeter.
Radius equal to 4 centimeter.
So outside of a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Okay, it is outside circle. When you draw a circle, it's outside part. So written all of you. It's what is it? It's an interior and the circumference of circle radius 2.5 centimeters center given point. Next, this man, Pranjal.
The locus of points at distance is greater than or equal to 35 mm from a given point.
Means greater than or equal means
Exterior
exterior and
and
circumference.
circumference.
Exterior and circumference. Okay, done. Exterior and circumference. Smith, next,
Oh,
read.
some of the
Read.
The locus of the center of a given circle which rolls around the outside of the second circle and is always touching it.
So I have shown now. It is a concentric circle, right? Concentric circle or circle, a circle concentric to first circle. Center is the center of a circle. Center is center of a circle. Concentric circle, whose center is center of first circle, and radius is equal to sum of the radii. Radius is equal to sum of the radii. Radius of the, okay. Next part, Mr.
The locus of center of all circles for the tangent to both the arms of the given matter.
Are you followed?
Yes.
What is it? Tangent there. If I take this one,
Sir, can it be bisected?
yes. Look at this one. This center. All these centers, if you are taking, that will be same as the angle bisector. So right, it is the angle bisector. It is the angle bisector of the angle between the tangents. Angle bisector of
Angle bisector of.
angle between the tangents. Next, yes, sir.
The locus of the midpoints of all chords parallel to a given chord of the circle diameter.
Which diameter? All the diameters.
Diameter of the circle.
Diameter to the diameter. There are a lot of diameters are there. Are but what?
Circle diameter.
Diameter perpendicular to the chord. Not all the
It is
diameter.
given parallel
It is
to
given.
given chord.
What?
In
So
the
come and
question.
run in the given question. What nonsense you are telling? I say nonsense. See, whatever he says, he has to make it, it is correct. What he said, it is not correct. Diameter means there are, how many correct diameters are there? Only one diameter. All the diameters, not that one. The diameter which is perpendicular to the chord. Correct. It is a diameter. Written diameter perpendicular to the chord. Parallel chord does not mean that one. Understood or not? Next one, yes. Next part. This one will make me feel good one.
The locus of points within a circle that are equidistant from the end points of a given chord. Tangents.
Radius.
Radius. Sorry. Radius.
Read loudly once again.
The locus of the points within a circle that are equidistant from the end points of the given chord.
It is not end point, it is not radius, complete diameter. Diameter which is perpendicular to the chord. Yes or no? Equidistant from the end points of the chord. Look here. If I take, there is a chord, distance is equidistant, AB is equidistant will be what? There will be a line, that's the perpendicular bisector, it will be always passing through the center, no? Therefore, it's a diameter. Diameter which is perpendicular bisector to the chord, not simply perpendicular is it's understood, but perpendicular bisector, right? Because only one diameter will be, all others are not diameters. Okay, done all of you? Clear? Okay.
The next question.
क्या है ये?
Hey, why?
One. Next question, question number 9. Read Aritrika.
In the given figure, obtain all the points equidistant from line M and N 2.5 centimeter from O.
Tell me.
Construction.
Tell me.
Angle bisector.
Why angle by? Array, read and listen. Hello. Mark will be O 0 only.
Perfect.
You have no question.
I really have.
You really have a question.
So,
Maths
actually,
only?
question.
Huh?
That
Maths.
perpendicular.
That's perfect.
Perpendicular.
Huh? Hello. Listen, all of you. Did you read the question, all of you?
Yes. Yes.
All of you read the question once again.
Perfect.
Arey, don't talk nonsense. It is equidistant from one point. Equidistant from one point means circle. 2 points is given, okay, 2 lines. Read the question. Obtain the locus of all points from the line M and N and at a distance of 2.5 centimeter from O. Means you draw the circle where it is meeting, they are the points. It is locus of point, obtain all the locus of points equidistant from the lines. Which one? M and N and 2.5 centimeter from O. The distance is equal distance, so it will be coming as here. So you will be drawing a circle. Right, draw this one. First you draw to simply, if you want to construct means you will draw this one only. What did you do? Draw the circle. All points from the lines L and N. So you draw the circle, there are 4 points will be coming.
Yes.
What you to do this one means, over here, listen, you will draw 2 lines and take your radius and draw a circle.
Radius 2.5.
2.5.
Certain lines will be random now.
Any random. Any 2 intersecting lines take and draw a circle of radius 2.5 centimeter.
Yes, very also boring now.
फोन तो याद ही रहता कौन सा मतलब मेरे फोन का
अभी तो सबमिट नॉट हो गया
मेरा फ्रेंड है बोले
अभी तो चोमू बहुत सारे ठीक है अरे तो तुला स्टॉप
तो फोन मध्ये कसा भेटला
अरे आम्ही टेस्ट करायला ना काय
साडेसात सहा झाले सात
आम्ही दुपारी दिवस
काय तुमचा फ्रेंड मला
बाईचे अंडी मध्ये एवढं डोकं सटकवलं ना काय आता कोण जातो does it favor you? Guys, stop it.
I have no idea what I did. What did I do? Oh, okay. It was like
अरे सुधांशु का बोला होता है मेरे को बोलते हैं कि शिव के साथ कोलैब करते हैं तो मैंने बोला अगर मैं कंट्रोल सकती हूँ तो आप यहाँ भी आना चाहिए ऐसा भाई 4 लोग कर रहे होते हैं सब हमारे सुधांशु के ऐसे शिवा की भी कैसे लग रही है शिवा अपना अपना दिखाई लोग बोलते हैं कि मैं शिवा से बात करती हूँ
Now in this point P, Q, R and S. Therefore, right, the points P, Q, R and S are the locus of points. P, Q, R and S. What are you writing to a lot of stories there? I said only P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R and S are the locus of points. What happened? Next step. Now the next questions are coming. Important types of question. Oh, what is the problem? Huh?
I have 2 questions.
You have to. I have no questions. Listen. Question number 10. Read. Trika.
oh, sorry. Draw a triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 6 centimeter, BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter, AC is equal to 5 centimeter. Join
So you know how to draw the triangle.
Yes.
Yes.
Stop drawing and listen.
Not drawing.
No.
Should I read again?
Read remaining part.
The locus of the centers of all circles which touch AB and
Do
AC,
you know what is by locus of all the centers of all circles such AB and AC?
which touch AB.
Locus of centers of all circles touch AB and AC. It is angle bisector of angle A.
Yes.
Okay, then second one.
The locus of the centers of all circles of radius 2 centimeter which touch AB.
Such AB means
Perpendicular.
not touch AB. AB means with AB as no. Draw a line parallel distance of 2 centimeter you have to draw. First make all of you draw a triangle ABC. First make AB.
Let it be there.
First you make AB. Draw the following way. All of you draw. First draw AB is equal to how much? 6 centimeter. Then find out this one. CL. AB is equal to 6 centimeter.
Done.
Triangle draw.
Ah,
All of you drawn the triangle.
yes.
Then the remaining, those who have drawn the triangle, remaining part you draw it.
What is it?
What is remaining, you know, don't know how to read. Huh?
Draw the- What is it?
Drawn triangle. Okay. Then what is, name the triangle ABC.
Yes.
Then what is the locus of centers of all circles which touch what and what? Touch AB and
AC.
AB and AC. Means draw the angle bisector of angle A. Two angle bisector. One angle bisector. How do you get two angle bisectors? Angle bisector of angle A. Properly draw, otherwise the remaining part it will not come.
One. I have that.
Draw neatly. The last there is a circle to be drawn, otherwise it will not come. Yeah. Drawn all of you.
Yes.
1 minute. Draw.
Then next is you have to draw 2 centimeter from AB now.
Yeah.
Okay. What you do means make 90 degree at A and B. Make 90 degree 60, 120. If you want to extend, you can extend. 90 degree at A and B. 60, 120, 90. But A and B draw 90 degree because you have to draw a line parallel. Try to understand. At a distance of 2 centimeter means you make 90 degree at A, 90 degree at B.
The 60 is coming outside.
Wherever, I don't know. The construction is coming as the you draw 90 degree at A, 90 degree at B. If you have drawn 90 degree, then it is how much? 2 centimeter, no?
Yeah.
So take 2 centimeter on this line, both the line, and join it. On the perpendicular, take 2 centimeter. Take a 2 centimeter from A. Look here. Or here. This is 2
I
centimeter.
did that.
Are you drawn 290 degree? Take a 2 centimeter. Are on the compass take 2 centimeter.
Done.
Are take on or madam Patil.
And listen to us 1 minute.
Done. All of you join this one. Then next part you read.
What should that?
What is that line?
What is
Are
that?
this is 2 centimeter line is drawn.
A to
Are this is 2 centimeter.
that one.
This line.
Inside the triangle.
Angle bisector.
It's coming.
Or the angle bisector way you are not drawn.
No,
No.
It was drawn already.
sir, we did not know. Sir.
अरे first thing I asked you to draw angle bisector of angle A. What is he doing? That is angle bisector here, right?
That is 2 centimeter. I will draw now.
Angle bisector of angle A drawn. They are meeting one point. Maybe it is point of intersection over here. I don't know. If properly drawn, maybe it is there. I don't know. It is coming. Then, after that, what you do? Construct a circle of radius 2 centimeter which touch AB and AC. Means this you take the point P as center. This is in P. Draw a circle of radius 2 centimeter.
They are not meeting.
With the P as center, wherever it is meeting. With the P as center, radius equal to 2 centimeter, draw the circle. P as center, I have to start in Marathi or what is translating 2 centimeter? Why one compass is going to 2, 1 here?
No,
Okay, do it now. 2 centimeter, draw the circle. Done.
It is passing to two sides only.
Which will be touching both the sides.
Only AB and AC are touching. AB and AC only.
Then what? It should touch AB and AC. Where it should touch it? Huh?
AB only.
It should touch AB and AC. What happened? Drawn.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Seen.
That's
Where is the triangle ABC? Name the triangle ABC. Now, look here. Huh? Now, over here, listen. Shh. You have to check the what all things are there. Did you follow? First is triangle drawn. Locus. These are the questions coming in the exam. First is locus of centers of the circle which touch AB and AC. Touch AB and AC means angle bisector. Locus of more than whatever I speak, you talk. You come and sit over here. I will draw for you. Then next is locus of centers of radius 2 centimeter touch AB means at a distance of 2 centimeter. Look here, when the questions are coming, you should be in a position to identify. It's not that somebody will come and explain this one to do this one. 5 minutes break you have. After that, we have to complete this exercise.
And then go home.
Then no, go stay over here only.
Sir, याद कराइए.
Huh?
Sir, even remember you, sir.
Sir, 33 it is.
Do one thing, you know, you go.
अरे फटाफट पीछे वाले को खिला दो.
इसको खिला दे मेरे को.
ये शिका के साथ.
तुम लोग अनऑफिशियल वगैरह भी करते हो?
भाई तूने एक
हमारे
साल
स्कूल में
पहले
परमिशन कुछ नहीं
यशिका
दिया.
को
मैंने नहीं बोला, मैं अलग ही कर रही थी, मेरे को माही
हाँ, तो हमारे स्कूल से
मेरे को माही सच हो सबने
इनके स्कूल
अरे
में
आधे लोग जानने नहीं वाले
अरे
फेस का केस
इनके
में
स्कूल में अनऑफिशियल थी.
अनऑफिशियल और ऑफिशियल दोनों देते हैं.
और हमारे स्कूल से परमिशन कुछ नहीं पड़ती है.